In today's video, we're going to upgrade this excellent wooden workbench with some additional metal to make it a much better welding cart. The plan is to use this 2x4 3/16 rectangular tube to sleeve the legs on the workbench, and then we can weld another shelf on, or some angle iron for a shelf, and make a little shelf for gas bottles. Then this thing will roll around much better and be our movable welding cart.
A foot, 1 foot.
Your welds are going on the internet.
It's all right. Never claimed to be professional.
So we're going to make a shelf for the bottles that's going to mount to the newly created legs. So we're just kind of laying things out and figuring out how deep the shelf needs to be. Here's our scrap metal rectangle we're going to weld together. It's going to hold a bottle and then go right there. Got our rectangle clamped up on one side. Going to tack this with the TIG welder and see if it goes well. This metal's pretty thin, and if it doesn't go well, we'll switch to the MIG welder. Just a tack. The frame made up, and now got this piece of steel cut that we're welding onto the bottom for the shelf. I have a 1-inch lip for the bottles to sit in. Got the shelf welded on, and we're able to reuse this chain from the old Harbor Freight welding cart. So, recycled. Here is the finished welding cart project. As you can see right here, I've got the bottle storage tray, 2 bottles. That's our TIG bottle, that's our MIG bottle with helmets, and of course, a fire extinguisher. And they're everywhere, as you can see. This is after a few months of use. It's a little bit dirty, a little bit more beat up, but it's definitely settled into its new purpose. A future addition would be to take this piece of wood right here, take that off and get it replaced with a nice thick piece of steel so that we feel a little bit more comfortable welding on this table. As far as repurposing a workbench goes, this couldn't have gone any better. It's serving its purpose in our garage. It's not taking up more room by having another cart, and it's functional. what more can we ask for? We did add some additional support on the bottom, but other than that, this thing has been great. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and thanks for watching.